Hey there, Avra here with Cami. I am so excited to be facilitating an EdTechTeacher summer workshop. June 24th, 25th, and 27th, we will be talking about accessibility. The title of the workshop is Beyond Annotation, Utilizing Cami to Augment Differentiation and Accessibility. So many people think of Cami as a tool for simply marking up a PDF. And while it can definitely do that, it provides so many more opportunities to help support all learners. So we're going to look at how Cami can integrate with a variety of learning management systems. We will definitely talk about how we can use audio and video to create scaffolds for students. We'll look at collaboration. We'll have a great deal of fun talking about all different ways that you can use Cami to help your students. So just as a quick sneak peek into some of the tools that we'll explore, we've got closed captions on all of our video and audio. We've also got read aloud, voice typing. We've got multimedia comments that are incredible. You can absolutely create a text comment, but you can also create a voice comment, a video comment, or a screen capture comment. Screen capture meaning a screen recording. You can do all of that right within the program without needing any other tools. There's a text recognition so that teachers can take a picture of a page in a book, bring it into Cami, and have those words read aloud to students. You can even change the language of read aloud. So if you've got a French text of some sort, for example, you can have that read to students. We have a dictionary that is being built out in multiple languages as well. So whether you are supporting students with specific learning needs or English learners, this is the workshop for you. To learn more and register for this workshop as well as many others, head to edtechteacher.org/summer. There, you'll find all sorts of information about the All Access Pass that they're offering this summer. For one low price, you can access over 24 different workshops. Everything's listed right here in one place. You can scroll down and take a look at all of the different workshops that are listed. When you discover one that you're interested in, all you have to do is select it and click. Here, you can find more information, details about dates and times. And don't forget, you can always reach out to me on social media or at avra.robinson@camiapp.com. Send me an email. We can chat more about what the workshop's going to look like. Hope to see you this summer.